Okay, kiddos. Today's lesson is for Thursday, April 23rd. It's Spirit Week. Are you still in your pajamas? It's okay because today is Pajama Day. Today is also Equivalent Fractions Day. Now, this is a review because we did talk about it last week, but let's look at this again. Who remembers what we talked about, the word equivalent? What does it sound like? It sounds like equal, right? So we're talking about equivalent fractions. So we're really going to see what they look like. Okay, so when we have two or more fractions that name the same amount, they're called equivalent because they're talking about the same amount, so they're equal. So let's check out these fraction bars. You know what? Hold on, let's scoot down just a little bit here. There we go. Can you see better, I hope? I know it's not the best setup, but this is what seems to be showing up the best for us. Okay, so we're looking at an equivalent fraction for 1/4. Can you see here how my red fraction bar, that's showing you 1 whole. And then I have 1/4. Okay, so we're going to line up 1/8 and 1/8. Look at this. 1/8 and 1/8. That's 2/8. You know what that means? That's showing us right here that 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. It's showing you that it's talking about the same amount, but they're different numbers. I love this. 1/4 is equal to 2/8. Okay, now this is an error alert. Oh, watch. Make sure that when we line up our fraction bars, they're lined up at the left. And this is going to be pretty easy for you because it's all done on computer, so they better line them up correctly, right? Okay, so we need to find an equivalent fraction for 2/5. Let's line up 2/5. 1/5, 2/5. So now we have to find fraction bars that are even smaller than fifths. I bet I know. Look, tenths. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. 4/10 is equal to 2/5. Right there, 2/5 is equal to 4/10. Look at all these examples. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3/4. 3/4 is equal to or equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8. 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. Ooh, I like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10. 5/10 is equivalent to 1/2. Wow. And, oh my, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/6. That's 1 whole. Remember, anytime we have the same numerator and denominator, we have 1 whole. Oh my gosh, so how many 12s do I need to make 1 whole? Well, it's 12. There are 12 twelfths to equal 6/6, which is 1 whole. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do, again, we're going to head back to your book. I'll show you again. We go to your book, hit this button. That way we can skip right to our units. Unit 6. Chapter 18. Go to Lesson 3, Equivalent Fractions. In that lesson, you're going to do the same thing. Go to our life raft. Let's see if mine doesn't want to show up. Maybe I got to make this a little bit smaller. Down here, Lesson 3, Equivalent Fractions, L89. do a review of this. Now, it's going to say line up fraction bars. You don't have fraction bars, but it will line them up for you, I promise. And practice your math facts. That's what we have for today. Okay. See you on Friday.